While we're having a webinar right now in this moment, I want to ask you, I know other than just providing lessons and tutoring and coaching for students, ts for you also hosts webinars and other different, I guess, streams or opportunities where students can join and learn about other aspects of this whole career and gain other forms of knowledge as well. Why do you think these Saturday and Sunday webinars are important for students to join?
Um, yeah, I would say, I mean, the ones that I have been able to make, it was just inspiring and yeah, good uh it it's it just adds to the whole picture of everything. Like it reminds you of why you're here, what you want to get out of this, and it just goes nicely with everything else.
I agree. I think it's a great resource people can have that complements their learning. Thank you, Kim.
Yeah.